Hello everyone, we are Group 5. Today we are pleased to present our research. We chose the topic because Chinese population growth entering a phase of negative growth since 2023. Based on the 7th National Population Census, our analysis includes visualizing the population structure characteristics at the provincial level, identifying the linear relationship between various socio-economic variables, and developing a user-friendly graphical interface for data visualization. The table below shows the data we used. By gathering and pre-processing the data, we have created a basic database, and we will analyze in 4 steps. Finally, we reached some conclusions. As the methods, we use libraries like Phonium, GeoPandas, Matplotlib Pandas, and Kinter.
Here are our results. In the initial stage, we created an overall population map to visualize the demographic distribution across China. And in the second part, we created the migration flow map with three sides representing the number of floating population. From the table, you can see top 5 provinces that get migrants from Hubei province. In this map, the color depth of lines represents the number of migrants. We also conducted ordinary least squares regression showing positive correlation between economic growth and migration rates. We also constructed a gravity model to verify the reliability, which demonstrated that our models are highly reliable. Here's our GUI design.
We all wrote our codes in PyCharm and we used the Kinter module to build our own interface. So after running our whole program, we can get the initial interface like this called Population Data Analysis GUI. In the left side, you can see there are 3 sections related to our above analysis. And the right frame is the canvas area, which is used to display some maps and the final results. So in the first section called Population Visualization, here are 8 different analysis operations that can be chosen. For an instance, if you want to see a gender structure map, you can choose it and click this Show Visualization button, and the structure map will appear like this. The gender clearly showed the base map is the aging population heat map, where the bar charts give some information about the gender distribution in each province. So in next session, we mainly talk about the migration visualization. So after click this Create Flow Map, a new window called Select Year and the Province will pop up to let you to select the target year and target province. If you choose 2020 as our target years and Neimenggu as our target province, we can see the result like this. And on the left side, the map giving some information about the migration flow out of Neimenggu into other province, while the right map shows some information about the migration flow into the target province. And below, we also display some data related to 5 provinces with the largest population in terms of migration in and out. So, if you think the flow lines here are too thin or too thick to see so clearly, we can also choose this Create Colorful Lines map to change the colorful type. You can see clearly that the province with the largest migration flows show on the east side of the target province. If you also want to know which the specific province those are, you can click this Add Name button and the name will appear on the map. So if you no longer need the name, you can click the Delete button to let the name disappear. So this is achieved by a toggle button by setting global variables to record the states. In the final section, we mainly focus on correlation analysis. Here are different dependent variables that can be chosen where there are 6 factors which can be set as independent variables. So this allows users to choose which relationship they want to explore by selecting their own dependent and independent variable. But in our study, we mainly talk about non-migration rate, and in the result you can see that, except this aging data, there is no significant linear correlation between the 2 columns. So except this, all the other factors are linearly correlated. But you can see the fitting effect is not very good, so we also conduct this gravity model. So the fitting equation is shown like this, and the model fit is good. The model helps us to predict the future trend of migration population, assisting in some better decision making for national planning. So here are all the things we want to show you in our GUI design part.